Which country eats the most blueberries? Canada. Which country eats the most raspberries? Russia. Which country eats the most blackberries? Serbia. Which country eats the most kiwi fruit? New Zealand. Which country eats the most artichokes? Italy. Which country eats the most asparagus? Germany. Which country eats the most zucchini? Turkey. Which country eats the most beetroot? Russia. Which country eats the most oysters? China. Which country eats the most mussels? Belgium. Which country eats the most squid? South Korea. Which country eats the most tuna? Japan. Which country eats the most salmon? Norway. Which country eats the most venison? New Zealand. Which country eats the most goat meat? Sudan. Which country eats the most coconuts? Indonesia. Which country eats the most mango pickles? India. Which country eats the most curry dishes? India. Which country eats the most dumplings? China. Which country eats the most sea urchins? Japan.